video, Ian got a new car. So here's us getting the car. And Ian is trading his KX450 for
Oh yeah, I was literally
a Miata.
If you wanted to borrow it.
Miata, baby. With a 1.8.
I picked that car for $800 in Dallas, and then it's been money running. Doesn't run, man, I gotta go to work. But as of right now, she cranks up, fires up, runs, it's fun. Dude, be safe. It's gonna be a hell of a journey, but especially if you have a rider with you, you're gonna scrape big time. Be careful blowing the tire. It's probably gonna happen if you're riding with a passenger.
If something happens, you'll see. It'll be on the internet.
Tune in next week.
Y'all be careful.
All right,
yeah, you too.
Have a good one. Nice meeting y'all.
Yeah, dude. Show whip.
So now we get to check out the car in the daylight and look at you're gonna want to see this thing. This thing is completely dank. So let's look and see all the things that are done to this car because it's been heavily modified and it's definitely ratchet. It says Ratchet Miata, so that's well. Enjoy the video.
Wow, PoeBoys.
Take this and ball it up.
Why?
You have a burnout ball now.
Like a baseball.
There's plenty of that.
You leave it.
My ball.
Hot potato. This is getting hot.
Careful, don't.
Oh my
God. Okay, so this is Ian's car, and we don't have a name for it yet, but right now it's called the Ratchet Miata. Have you came up with a name?
No.
All right, so then y'all can help in the comment section down below. Just say some names, and let's just look at the things that are done to it, and then y'all come up with your decisions. And at the end of the video, y'all comment the name. Here is the Miata. Ian, explain what it is.
From what the dude told me, it's a 91 Mazda Miata body on a 99 everything else. That's what he told me.
It's got a 1.8 in it, so it's got a motor swap to a bigger motor. Let's get the first impression. What's going on, guys? We got a PO box, and right here, if you want to be part of the Scoop build, go ahead and send your stickers in, or you can send in fan mail, whatever the heck you want. It's a PO box to do whatever you want with. We're gonna sticker bomb the whole Scoop car, so if you want to send in your stickers, feel free to go do so at the link below. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bro, why is everything so small? Like, this car is literally... Jump over it, Ian. Don't fall, that's the thing. You got this, bro. You got this. Oh, no dents, we're good. I'm pretty sure you kicked it right here or something.
That's where my foot landed.
We're good. All right, well, let's open the hood now that we see what the outside looks like. This thing's actually pretty dope. So we got some deep dish wheels on this thing. They have some mods done to clear. They didn't adjust the coilovers, they just adjusted the body. The previous owner said he just took some vice grips, and this is the engine. This 1.8 greatness. So these are the marker lights. These won't be hard to actually make work again. It's got a header, it's got a 1.8, it's got plug wires, so it's pretty much kind of what Meep is, to be honest. Like it
sure has oil too. I don't know.
It might have oil. Do you want to check?
Oh, that's broken off.
Every Miata dipstick, we learned that with Meep and Beep.
LOL.
It doesn't have any.
It doesn't have any oil.
It really doesn't. Okay. Let's put some oil in it. Okay, so this right here is the bash bar that it's got. It's pretty simple. It looks
way welded.
It looks like a ladder made of 1-inch OD pipe, and he welded it a little bit, and then he was like, you know what? I'm gonna put some self tappers in it to make sure it stays. Yes. This side didn't get any self tappers. The welds were good enough on this side. inside, but these welds weren't good enough, so we got some self-tappers in there as well.
And I mean,
This right here,
don't know what that is.
that's for the heater core. This brandy bottle for an expansion tank, which is really dope. So here's your AC stuff. That means all your stuff's on the inside, which means we can gut all that out. That's gonna be a good amount of extra weight on this thing. We can clean up some of this wiring eventually. Right now, we're not gonna have to worry about it too much. It's gonna need a tune, and I'm gonna need y'all's help a little bit with trying to figure out what to do the best. It's a 90, wait, what year is it? So it's a 91 Miata, but has a 99 1.8 Miata engine in it, and we're trying to figure out how to tune it because it doesn't run the best. So trying to figure out the best way to do that. She scrapes a lot, that's for sure. Shift coolant?
No.
Who needs coolant? The hood prop is honestly one of my favorite things.
Drive fast enough, you never need coolant.
That is true. So, I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, it got us all the way home.
On the interstate.
Yeah, hour and a half on the interstate. You rubbed at every bump, but I mean, it didn't matter.
5 miles an hour, topped out.
There's gold stuff right here. Ooh, drop top. And the woo-wop. All right, so let's check out the inside of this thing. It's gonna need a roll cage. This is kinda in. It's just bolted a few times. That's interesting. That's definitely not stock, but we'll figure something out. We're just gonna get harnesses, new seats. Yeah, okay, this is why you don't buy eBay seats. Look at the bottom's not moving, and the top is just going wild. That's why eBay seats are dangerous. But we're gonna get actual nice seats in here, actual cages. It came with a set of Ray-Bans that were spray painted. The shift knob, actually, that's Joey's shift knob from his car. Oh, you got a jewel pod down there. All right, this was the old rig. Look at this. This is fabulous. Oh, okay, so that's how the water gauge broke. That's how your water gauge broke, because you put it in fifth and it smacks the crap out of it.
Aggressive.
Those just don't break like that. And that would make a lot of sense. Ain't nothing else to it but to do it. Oh, you got a quick disconnect. This is pure magic. Every single car that has roll-up windows that's manual, if they break off, vice grips is the, like, everyone uses them, so.
I mean, the car is worth more now.
It is.
The aux beam headlights.
Oh,
Shout out to aux beam.
facts.
Sand.
Yeah, we're gonna change that to say sand dunes because that just needs to happen.
Bro,
What are you gonna do with the tailpipe?
Yeah, I forgot about that. We haven't even been able to talk about that. Okay, that's what we're dealing with. Oh boy. Okay, so this can definitely be done with. It used to come out and up, and you could see it used to get hot right here, so the pipe would literally come up like
It was
this.
a Harley exhaust. A Harley exhaust came up to right about here. I gotta put my quick shift on.
Yeah, taking off the leisure shifter and putting on the quick shifter. Bruh, come on, dude. This is why your car is not running good. Okay, so so this is just barely held on by a wire, and that's the only thing holding the air intake on. But these adapters are literally coupling a piece of rubber on top of a piece of rubber, and that's letting air go through, so whenever you gas on it, it's just gonna get unmetered air and it'll run like crap. So we just need to make an intake for it. Let's get to start diagnosing on this thing.
First, we need coolant and oil.
Let's put some coolant and oil in it, and then we'll figure out if we want to do anything with this. All right, so we're trying to diagnose why this car isn't running right. The owner said it needs an ECU, but runs good on a 1.8 ECU. There should be no issues there. But I do know this is a vacuum line, and there is electrical tape above it. That's an issue. That could be half our problem right there, why it's not idling. Just like small vacuum leaks. This stuff right here, this is supposed to be 3-inch pipe, but this is 2 1/4, it looks like. And they're using 2 silicone boots in order to do it. So I think I can probably just fab up a 3-inch intake for it real quick. We can get some vacuum nipples for this right here, and we gotta look for any other vacuum leaks or anything like that. Make sure all the plugs are firing. Teaching Ian how to tail whip. Ian doesn't know how to tail whip. Do a tail whip, Ian. He's getting there. We're gonna film his process of learning how to tail whip. Not bad.
Still working on it.
Hot. Oh, bad. Go to PoeBoys.com. You want to catch some dinner? Let's go catch some dinner. It's actually. Yes, sir. Eat that fry. Complete stranger. What's going on, guys? Thank you very much for watching this video, and we're going to be starting to roll out a little bit more videos, and we're actually going to start doing more on content, but we're going to do a little less car content, a little more just kind of fun content and doing what we're doing along the day. The channel now has a cameraman and an editor, so we're going to start pumping videos out a little bit more often. It's going to take a little bit while we get on the ball of everything. Things are about to be popping off here soon. I know y'all haven't seen this truck in forever, so I just wanted to give y'all a good sight of it. Ooh, Someone's sending some polish for these forces in, so we're gonna be able to polish these guys up. Also gonna be taking apart the engine stuff a little bit later on, which that's not gonna be fun, but we're gonna have to do it anyways. But the truck's still doing pretty good. The drift car is actually doing pretty good as well. Still can't really get much engine stuff or anything like that done because of the Rona. And then obviously Yeet's sitting here. And we got the rally car right here. So all the cars look good. Caleb's actually also got this car as well. This is his Wreck GT and he really hasn't done anything with it. Maybe we could rebuild it on the channel or something like that, but it does have some pretty good damage. The car itself is actually totaled. Wheel right here is taken back about a few inches. We'll be able to work on this thing a little bit later. We might can be able to get this car on the channel here soon, possibly rebuilding it a little bit later for some more content. Don't know, but if y'all want to see it, let me know in the comments and we'll go ahead and start. We're working on this car as well. Just have to get a place to work on it and put 2 turbos on it because it's kind of hard to do in a driveway. And then this thing right here, we're doing the injectors. It'll be fun, honestly. I'm super pumped for it. So thank y'all for bearing with me during these times. Hope y'all are staying safe, having a great one. Remember to freaking send it and be great.